Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse and today is day 3 of this series that we've been creating together with my fan family. Yay! Now this one is Aidan's picks. If you've been following me, you'll know I was feeling like I'd sort of run out of colour combinations and methods and things like that, and so I asked my family to each come down to the studio one at a time and pick some colours and tell me how to pour. So this one's Aidan's, and you can find the other two in the Acrylic Pour NZ playlist, which is in the end card of this. He's picked out crimson red, silver, medium yellow, and viridian hue green. So the green is the only one he wants silicone in, and this one's nearly empty, so I'm going to put it straight into the pot. 2 drips of Durex Play Perfect Glide, which is 100% dimethicone, and then we're going to just give that a quick stir in so that it is not sitting in tiny little blobs. But don't stir too much, otherwise it'll emulsify into your paint and you'll get no cells at all. The other thing he asked me to do was to try and do an open cup square. Now, for those of you that have been following me, you know I'm not too fussed on open cups, because you end up with whatever you end up with. And this is made of cardboard. It's not perfectly cut straight. It's, who knows what it's going to do. So we're just going to randomly pour our colours . And go around again. I don't seem to be leaking. Pushing down a little bit. It doesn't seem to be leaking, which is awesome. Until I start messing up. I actually quite like what we've got in there. So I'm not going to be too worried about that, if that's what we end up with. Do I do a quick whip or let it seep out? Quick whip, let it seep out, okay. Eek, looks like it's gone pink. Oh, where's my torch? So the torch pops air bubbles and also warms the paint, allowing the silicone to rise up to the top. I'm going to need a spatula to pick up some of this and spread it. And I'm going to need a tin to catch our runoff, so we can do that to the other corners as well. Oh dear. Okay. Let's pick up some of this and stick that on there. can see this. Oops, crikey, there's a lot of paint sitting around here, guys. Just going to drag that off there. Now, let's have a look at this. Take a deep breath, Michelle. Everybody knows you don't like yellow too much. Let's see what a torch will do. Now, that's quite a lot of silver in there. That's quite cool. Stretch it out a bit. I really like these two corners. Not excited about the rest of it though. Sorry, Aidan. Okay. Let's get some of this paint back up on here to help flow. Hold on, torch it first. Make sure it's in the camera. On the live stream this morning at my time, but a few days ago, we talked about getting inspiration for colours. And this is a really great example of how colours are just that. They're just an inspiration. Being able to combine colours to create something. And when somebody gives you an inspiration, when you get an inspiration from somewhere, doesn't mean it's going to be a set way or a set result. Ugh. There we go. That's more the result I wanted. Because you know what, guys? I am 100% sure that this is not what Aidan thought this was going to look like. What do you reckon? And no, it's not out of focus. It is that blended. Alright, this has been fun, and I really like this one. So weird because it does look pink, but you got to remember that what's making it pink is actually silver, not white. So who knows what this is going to end up like when it's dry. And I think that would make a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful material design. So I'm definitely going to be taking photos of this one and probably both of the others as well, and having a play. But for now, I'm going to say see you in a couple of seconds when it's dry. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Now, most of you know that I don't like pink, but I also don't like green. Definitely not khaki green. And yellow's definitely not on my favourites list. But look at this painting. It's stunning. I reckon I would almost wear a piece of a drapey jacket made out of this material in a chiffon. It just says chiffon to me. How about you? Oh, it's so pretty. Anyway, this is how we do it. Come on. Yeah, again, so not what Aidan asked for, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I am going to show it to him, see what he thinks. And you know what? All I can say now is thank you guys for an amazing year last year. My time, we are now in the new year. So happy new year. What grand and glorious adventures can we all choose? How much fun can we have? And what can you be or do this year that you thought was impossible, that's only impossible because you think it is? Let go of all those impossible thoughts and make them I'm possible. I will see you again in a video, lots of videos coming over the new year, and thank you so much again for joining me last year. What grand and glorious adventures can we have? I adore you guys. I'm still tossing up whether I'm going to show you the video I did of how I used up all the scraps from these. I did make something. I did get a cool end result. and it was a pretty wonky video. So I'll make a choice, and I'll either just pop a post up on the channel community page with a photo of it, or I will do a video. I will let you know soon. Anyway, have fun. I adore you, and I will see you super soon. Bye bye.